Hi, my name is John Liu, Supply Chain Manager at Superfy. I'm here today to oversee the production, assembly, and shipment of our G2 field level sensors. Using cellular connectivity, this device provides real-time data back to our Superfy platform in the cloud, helping our customers optimize their resources collection and monitoring operations. The range of the sensors in this device includes field level measurements, temperature monitoring, and GPS location tracking. To date, we have already deployed thousands of these devices to a range of the customers. And via the platform in the cloud, we're helping our customers manage over 10,000 sites worldwide.